Today we will look at the addition operation, which is represented by a plus sign, which we should all be familiar with from our math classes. The addition operation calculates the sum of two or more integers or floats. Here we have a variable x, to which we assign the operation of 1 plus 2. When we print the variable x, we can see it has a value of 3 after the addition operation has been performed. In another example, we have a variable y to which we assign the operation 4 plus 2 plus 5. When we print the variable y, we can see it has a value of 11 after the addition operation has been performed. Additional values are added to the addition operation by adding a plus sign and the additional value. Here we have the variable z, to which we assign the operation 0.45 plus 6.74. When we print the variable z, we can see it has a value of 7.19 after the addition operation has been performed. The addition operation is unique as it is the only arithmetic operator which can be used with other data structures beyond integers and floats. The addition operation can also be used to combine the elements of some iterables like lists, sets, and strings. Here there are two separate strings, hello and world, which are combined using the addition operator and assigned to the variable f. When we print f, we can see the separate strings become 1. In the next example, we have a list of strings ijl stored in the variable g and another list of strings m and o stored in the variable h. When we perform the addition operation on these lists, it results in a list with all of the elements of both sets when we print p. Those examples demonstrate that the arithmetic operator can be used beyond integers and floats. Next, we'll be taking a look at subtraction. Comment on what you want to see next, and like and follow for more Python content. And stay curious.